Alright, so hopefully you guys can hear me fine. Honestly, I have no idea if you guys can hear me or not. This is the first time I'm recording with my new tablet. And I think this quality looks very shitty. Very sad. So today I did the unthinkable and bought something. And it's kind of cricket, so by the time of the screen, title of the video, you already know what I bought. And honestly, I kind of regret it a little bit. But we're gonna unbox it anyway. Just gotta do the top part. Let's see here. Yeah, this thing's harsh. Alright. Oh, it looks like a VCR. This is so weird. Okay, guys, you're gonna look. I did not put these stickers here. Why would you put stickers? Okay, why would you put those stickers on an Xbox? Whoever put this also had a Attack on Titan sticker. I have no idea why would I know Attack on Titan. And okay, this is definitely pre-owned. Looking in. Both the controllers in the same story. The controller looks half opened, which is not a good sign all the time. I got this on the Xbox with a gift card. Right here. My first Xbox controller that I actually own. And the sad part is it needs batteries. Wait, it also takes the Ace. Oh, never mind. I actually just charge it like this, I guess. Now I'm very confused. My port auction. Yeah, this is both the HDMI port and the connector for the power brick. And the power brick itself. Why? Now I know why they ported it inside the machine. It's too stupid. I have no idea why I bought this. Now, before anyone says anything, why? Some of you guys may be thinking, Iron! Why did you buy an older engine Xbox? Why not just get an Xbox Series X or an S? And the answer to you is that I don't give a shit about those consoles. There's only one reason why I bought this. Backwards compatibility. Or in English, backwards compatibility.
What? What the fuck?
Yeah. So let's get into it. Alright, it's making weird ass noises with the power brick. Not sure you guys can hear it, but is that what it's supposed to sound like? Is that how much you guys got pissed off by it? Cause damn. I guess I really can't blame you. Hopefully this is fine, because this is a fuck ton of wires over here. And I don't know why the quality is so shit. Hey, look. This is definitely used. I'm not gonna put out the guy's shit. Huh. Orochimaru. You need to stop forgetting your shit. Log off. Alright, pairing controller time. I don't know why is it that every time I switch to a device, I switch to camera, and it gives it a shitty quality. I don't know why. I really apologize. Yes, update the fucking controller. Thank you. So this is what an Xbox looks like. I am not impressed. And I keep thinking that B is A. I'm not gonna show off the tag because I don't want to be a dick. Alright, so I just found out there's actually more than one account on this system. There's precisely, I think, 8 or 7 accounts on this machine. I currently just took out one of those accounts, and so I do that a few more times. I gotta love updating the controller, especially since it has to stay connected to the unit, since apparently it can't be on even with the batteries inside. Wow. Huh. Try removing the batteries. Alright. Updating the batteries would be so bully shit. Damn. This is a very sus Xbox. I can definitely hear the fan. I am definitely taking off the stickers though, because why the fuck would you put an eyeball right there? This is what the guy had. This must be a very recent Xbox. Man, that's a sus Xbox. Round 3 of me trying to update a controller. Fucking update already. Apparently I had to detach the batteries. Just got done removing more than 8 accounts on this fucking shit. And the controller still doesn't work without being unplugged. And I put the batteries in and it's updated. So I have no idea what's with this thing. Okay. And this is supposed to be a new call links multiple teams and connecting. But look, this is from last season. Which means whoever had this took it out not too long ago. And it has Halo Reach. Oh my god. But it probably won't let me play it unless I jailbreak it. I have no interest in jailbreaking this thing though yet. This was last updated October 23rd. Alright, it's updating. Hopefully nothing crazy happens. Jeez. Oops, I did not mean to have that on. A few things I forgot to mention is that, one, I got this, as this came in the mail today at December 28th. I placed the order on the 26th or 7th, I believe. And the HDMI port is kind of crappy a little bit. It's not. It is fine right now, but it might zap a little bit. Not zap as in electrocute, but I don't know. It is a bit jingly in the unit itself. So far, it's almost done updating, and I know everybody hates the fucking battery. It's worse than the fucking PS4 fan. So, yeah. Guys, oh my gosh, the FBI is at my door. Oh my gosh, it's asking me to sign in. Oh my gosh, dude. The controller is still not doing anything. Controller. Alright, back to where we were earlier. Oh, Upload Studio, I've heard of this. This is basically the counterpart to Share Factory. Interesting. Damn. Oh, it's only a few megabytes. That won't take too long. Even though my router's kinda shit. Legacy inside. Very interesting. Alright, these are most of the stuff I got secretly for free. Okay. So far, this is everything. There's even Lego Ninjago. I recently bought Metal Gear because it was on sale. I can finally play Killer Instinct, sort of. A few other shits. And now we're going to test the most biggest part of all. The disc tray. That's the main issue we're gonna try to see if we can do right now. SSX3, a game that should theoretically be working. Okay, no disc inside. Please don't eat my disc, because this is literally my only Xbox game. Come on, controller. For this, update this for a current console. Update this. Why? Install it. Okay, it's registers it. It's 3 gigabytes for backwards compatibility. Okay. Okay, Lego. It has a nice little jingle when you purchase shit. Anyways, guys, until then, your boy IronSmasher Taste 184. I'll see you guys later, please. This is my last attempt. Alright. Alright, now for the moment of truth. What the f-